Welcome to the Australian Investment Council's 2020 Investing for Growth Awards. In a year that saw unprecedented challenges and headwinds for businesses, the Australian Investment Council received a large number of high-calibre award nominations. Whilst there can only be one winner in each category, all the submitted nominations have delivered strong results for their investors and for the Australian community more broadly. We thank all the firms that took the time to nominate for this year's awards. The deal award winners will be announced in order of enterprise value, from early stage to buyout. The winner of the 2020 Best Venture Capital Deal is Bioscience Managers for their investment in Avita Medical. Avita Medical is a regenerative medicine company focused on the development and commercialisation of innovative therapies for acute and chronic wound care and other regenerative needs. When Bioscience Managers invested in Avita Medical, it was a Western Australian-centric company with a single asset. Through the leadership of Bioscience Managers, Avita became a global medical device company, with product approved in the US, Europe and Australia. They helped Avita Medical change its regulatory strategy by converting its product line from 1 to 3 separate products, customised for clinical applications in burn treatments, chronic wound treatment and skin generation. Avita Medical is a terrific story of investment in Australian innovation, taking a game-changing technology to a global marketplace and making life-changing treatment accessible to a vast number of patients. Avita Medical can be celebrated as a great example of Australian venture capital creating a world-leading business. Not only a fantastic result for the patients who will benefit from the technology, but a terrific reward for investors. Congratulations to Amanda GILLON and the team at Bioscience Managers. Bioscience Managers acknowledges corporate advisor Andrew GAFFNEY from K&L Gates for his contribution to the successful investment. The winner of the 2020 Small Cap Deal is Fortitude Investment Partners for their investment in SUNFRESH. SUNFRESH Salads is a producer of high-quality, locally sourced food and helps deliver a healthier lifestyle for Australians. Fortitude Investment Partners took a 75% stake in SUNFRESH and worked with the founders to take the business to its next phase of growth and to drive sales. SUNFRESH expanded its product range into more value-added salads, expanded its geographical presence from South Australia and Victoria into New South Wales, and invested further in manufacturing equipment to drive productivity. Within 2 years, sales grew by more than 25% and profit increased by 30%. SUNFRESH was acquired by Houston's Farm, which has created a new national fresh, produce, salad and prepared meals business, HS Fresh Food. In a period when the COVID pandemic delayed or derailed many planned exits, it was a great effort by Fortitude to achieve this result in the midst of a year of disruption. The fresh, ready-to-eat meals sector is growing rapidly, but has attracted strong competition. Fortitude's nimble and focused approach led to a positive achievement in a relatively short time. Congratulations to the team at Fortitude Investment Partners. Fortitude Investment Partners would like to acknowledge corporate advisors Stephen Torreson from Willis Towers Watson, Rob McConnell, Evan Last, Alex Jordan and Victoria Brilliant from Deloitte, and Tim Sayer from Talbot Sayer for their contribution to the successful investment. The winner of the 2020 Mid-Cap Deal is Anchorage Capital Partners for their investment in Contract Resources. Contract Resources is a market-leading provider of critical industrial waste management and maintenance services to the oil and gas sector in Australia, New Zealand and the Middle East. When acquired by Anchorage Capital Partners, the business was under stress from accelerated international growth. Anchorage implemented new operational improvement initiatives that tripled the company's profits within 2 years. The Contract Resources deal was a great example of hands-on, value-added performance improvement that built resilience in a business that had been stressed and under pressure. Along with an excellent outcome for investors, the investment helped deliver substantial job creation and economic benefits to the regional economy. The investment also contributed to better environmental outcomes from the processing of hazardous mercury waste. Congratulations to Ben Ware and the team at Anchorage Capital Partners. Anchorage Capital Partners would like to acknowledge corporate advisors Ricky Casali from Minter Ellison, Brian Mullock and Ross Falone from PwC, Andrew Tremaine from Metrics Credit Partners and Alex Brown from Credit Suisse for their contribution to the successful investment. The winner of the 2020 Upper Mid-Cap deal is Quadrant Private Equity for their investment in Advanced Personal Management, APM. APM is one of Australia's leading providers of disability employment services. The business focuses on improving the lives of its clients, such as finding a school leaver with autism their first job, or assisting a person with a disability or disadvantage find sustainable employment. Since investing in APM, Quadrant have helped the business develop adjacent service offerings, expand into international markets, and grow in disability employment services in Australia. This was achieved organically and through acquisition, and more than tripled the company's profits in 4 years. This is an all-round great story. The investment produced a fantastic return for investors, achieved exit in the midst of the COVID pandemic, growth of a business founded by Western Australia with a female leader, focused on the social good of helping people with disability return to active workplace involvement, innovative approaches that have been exported into other regions and created a business that governments regard as a thought leader in effective employment programs. Congratulations to Alex EADY and the team at Quadrant Private Equity. Quadrant Private Equity would like to acknowledge corporate advisors David Josselson from Gilbert & Tobin, Milan Milosevic and Edward Lowe from EY, and Dragi Ristevski from Citigroup for their contribution to the successful investment. That concludes the presentation of awards in the deal categories. If you would like to find out more, please head to aic.co.